FC Seolim booked their place in the semi-finals of the Franco Gouveia Memorial Tournament with a convincing 2-0 victory over Nevillim Sporting in an entertaining quarter-final clash at the DSY ground, organised by St Anthony Club Kolva. Nevillim started aggressively and nearly grabbed an early lead when Joyson Coutinho's thunderous free-kick crashed against the crossbar in the 4th minute. Both sides maintained a high-tempo attacking approach in the opening half, with Nash Pereira and Joyson Coutinho impressing for Nevillim, though neither team could break the deadlock before the interval. Seolim returned stronger after the break as Vishank Dhargalkar and Saidi Pompurpekar repeatedly troubled the opposition defence. The breakthrough came in the 42nd minute when Lavne Shirodkar stunned spectators with a spectacular 50-yard free kick that flew straight into the net. Buoyed by the opener, Saidi Pompurpekar soon added a second with a composed finish to put Seolim firmly in control. Nevillim pushed hard for a comeback, but Seolim's resolute backline, led superbly by Lavne Shirodkar and Gaurav, stood tall to secure a memorable semi-final berth. Saidi Pompurpekar was named man of the match and received the award from Francis Fernandes, former vice president of the GFA and president of FC Seolim.
गेम एकदम बरे होले आमचे नावेलीचे भुरगे बरे होले तशेंच आमचे भुरगे शिवोलचे त्याच नेटान हेवले आनी तेंच्यांनी आमचे शिवोलचे भुरग्यांनी दाखोवन दिलेले आमी शिवोलकार फुटबॉलान सदांच फुडें आसता ओके आनी भुरगे आमचे जेन्ना ग्रावंडाचेर ऑल आउट वयता ते आनी आयज आमी नावेली 2 गोल मारून आमी FC शिवोलीन जिखोन गेलेले आसा.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.
अरे वा आता हाजे किती घेतली तू आई
म्हाका मरे
आई आम्ही नवीन टीव्ही घेऊया मग तुका जाय तितली तू सिरियलां पळय.
तिका काय तुक गो आई एक बरो आयफोन घेऊया हरशी आल्यार तिका रील पळोवपाक आवडटा न्ही.
तिका का तुका रे रिला पोवपाची ती
आता तुका झगडी करपाक जाय
टीव्हीच घेऊया.
हे सांगलं पण आयफोन घेऊया
काहीच गरज ना टीव्हीच घेऊया ना हांवें सांगले एकदा टीव्ही
ओगी लागा मातशी आजे तुका आमी दात घालुया भांगराचे.
They call me Aji Boom Boom.
Bhangra Valor Burgi Pasan Dana. So invest in gold and make a smart choice.
Only at Ullas Jewelers.